Do you run a faceless YouTube channel? Or do you want to start a faceless YouTube channel? Either way, AI images are going to be an integral part of your content creation process. As a faceless YouTube channel owner, I rely heavily on AI images as they are a great way to express my thoughts visually. I also use high-quality AI images to turn them into stunning videos like this. Here is a movie trailer I made earlier using AI images and turning them into videos. Trust me guys, you can never create high-quality videos like this without high-quality AI images. So the moral of the story is that high-quality AI images are very important. Now, to generate AI images, first, you need to find a good image generator. Once you find one, you need to check whether it is free or not. And even if it's free, almost all of them have a daily generation limit. I know, right? It's very frustrating when you finally craft the perfect prompt after generating multiple images by tweaking your prompt, and then you get hit with one of these notifications. It's really annoying. Now, for me personally, I love Flux, and I always generate images using Flux. But Flux is not free, and even if it is free on some websites, there is still a daily generation limit. In my previous video, I showed you guys how you can use Flux Ultra for free, but that also has a generation limit. While it may be useful if you want to generate a few images, if you want to create AI stories or documentaries like this, then you would require a tool where you can generate as many images as you want, because you'll need a lot of trial and error until you find the perfect image for you. But is there a free tool like this? Of course there is. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can take full advantage of it. Look at these images. I was able to generate all of these using this absolutely free tool. And here's the best part. You can generate an unlimited number of images with this. Yes, unlimited. And to add the cherry on top, you can also generate using Flux in this tool. Isn't this awesome? I will show you guys everything about this tool in great detail and create some awesome content by turning the images into videos like this. So make sure you pay very close attention and watch the video until the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called PicLumen. I have been using this tool for a long time now, and let me tell you guys, the quality of images it can generate is way better than some of the highly ranked image generators you see here. I have already made a few videos on this tool earlier. You can check them out if you want. You can use this tool to generate all kinds of images, whether it's ultra realistic or animated. And you can also generate consistent characters with this, which is really awesome. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it has a very sleek and simple interface. Here, you can see images generated by other users. And to be honest, they look pretty awesome too. When you hover over any of the images, it will show you the prompt used, which is pretty useful for taking inspiration. Now, once you click on create, it will take you to the main interface. This is where all the magic happens. When you click here, you will be able to see different models here, and each model serves different image needs. As you can see, it has realistic, anime, artistic, and even has the Flux option, which is great. First, let's try the realistic model and generate some images. Now we need to give it a prompt here. I will give it this very simple prompt. Then you can select the aspect ratio from here. I will choose 16:9. Then from here, you can select how many images to generate. I will keep it at 1 and then click on generate and wait for it to generate the image. Here is the output. Just look at this, folks. It looks so real. The details on the leaves and the rain are very realistic. It looks like a real image, doesn't it? I'm telling you guys, this tool is a hidden gem and you should utilize it to the fullest. That's why I keep making videos on this tool. Let's try one more. This time, I'm going to give it my usual prompt, a beautiful woman looking at the camera. Then hit generate and here is the output. As you can see, it looks very real and doesn't look like a typical overly processed AI image. Just look at her hair, eyes, lips, even the skin texture. They look very real. It honestly looks like a picture taken from a very good camera. If you show this image to someone, I'm sure they won't be able to tell whether it's AI or not. It's that good. Now let's try one more. This time, change the image style to this artistic one. Now I will give it this prompt, an astronaut floating in outer space. Then click on generate. And here is the output. Just look at this, guys. The image is outstanding and the prompt adherence is also very good. Honestly, this image looks like a scene from a movie. It is very detailed and looks awesome. Trust me, this is straight up on the Flux and MidJourney level images. Let's try one more. This time I am going to give it this prompt. Spider-Man in New York City. Then click on generate and here is the output. Wow. Honestly, I wasn't expecting the result to be this good. Just look at this image. If you show this to someone, they won't even be able to tell whether it's a screenshot from a movie or AI. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I would love to know your thoughts. Now you can turn this image into a video and create awesome content that gets thousands of views. Let's try one more image. This time I am going to give it this prompt, I have generated using ChatGPT. I will put it in the description for you to try. Then I will click on generate and here is the output. This image looks stunning. It looks like a scene from a Disney movie, doesn't it? Now you can use these kinds of images and turn them into videos to create awesome animated stories. And now, let me tell you about today's video sponsor, dFans. Imagine this. You've created an amazing AI influencer. You've put in the time, perfected the look, crafted the personality, and even built a solid fan base. But now you're thinking, how do I actually make money from this? Here's the tricky part. Not all platforms allow you to monetize AI influencer content, especially if it's NSFW or even slightly edgy. Some platforms have strict guidelines, while others just don't support AI-generated content for monetization. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. dFans is the platform that makes monetizing your AI influencer a breeze. Whether your content is SFW or NSFW, dFans allows you to turn your AI creations into a steady stream of income. You can effortlessly upload your content, engage with your audience, and start earning without all the hassle. Here's how you get started. All you need to do is click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you need to click on Become a Creator, then click on Apply and fill in your details. It's the world's first decentralized platform and doesn't require any KYC, making it fully anonymous. Once approved, you will be able to create subscription plans for your fans to buy and add images and videos of your influencer. It's really easy. And the payout system is also very fast with low charges, which is awesome. So if you're ready to take your AI influencer game to the next level and finally get paid for your hard work, dFans is the place to be. Don't miss out. Check them out and start monetizing today. And now let me show you how you can create consistent characters using PicLumen. Let's say you want to create an animated story and this is your main character. Now to generate different images of the same character, first download the main image. Next, click on this image icon and upload your reference image here. Once done, click on it and make sure character reference is selected. After that, turn this strength all the way up and now you need to give it a prompt here. I will give it this prompt generated using ChatGPT and click on generate. And here is the output. As you can see, the image looks awesome. And if you look closely, you will be able to see that the face is the same as the main character. As you can see from here, they both look identical. I know there are a few imperfections, but they are barely noticeable. Now you can use PicLumen to generate consistent characters and create awesome engaging content. And now let's try to generate some complex images. Let's try to create these kinds of viral anime nature images. To do that, first give it this prompt. Don't worry, I will put the prompt in the description for you to try. Next, I will change the aspect ratio to this and hit generate. And here is the output. It is looking absolutely stunning. It looks so soothing, doesn't it? Now to turn it into a video, all you need to do is go to Immersity AI and sign up using your email ID. Next, upload your image here and it will start processing the image. Once done, it will create a cool depth animation like this. Now from here, you can choose the kind of animation you want, then export the video by clicking here. And no need to worry because there will be no watermark after you export and download. And here is the final result. Trust me guys, some people are charging a lot of money to show how to generate videos like this, and now you know how to do it for free and it's really easy too. And now let me show you how you can generate something really cool using PicLumen. First, let's give it a prompt. I will give it this prompt and yes, it will also be in the description for you to check out. Then I will hit generate and here is the output. Just look at this image. It looks awesome, doesn't it? The AI was able to create a perfect hybrid of a dog and a mafia boss. Now all you need to do is turn this image into stunning video using your favorite image to video generator and go absolutely viral on Instagram. Here is what I was able to create. Trust me guys, these kinds of videos are going absolutely viral on Instagram. As you can see, this account is getting millions of views by creating these kinds of videos, and now you can do it too. So don't just sit there and consume content. Get up, start making your own content and make some money. And now let's try the Flux option it has. To do that, let's select the Flux option first from here and then let's give it a prompt. I will give it this simple prompt and hit generate. Here is the output. As you can see, it looks good. Now let me tell you, this is the lowest model of Flux, so you cannot expect the result to be outstanding. But still, it's much better than other generic AI image generators. Now, PicLumen also has the ability to generate images of celebrities. Let's try that out. So I will change the image model to this one, and then I will give it this prompt and click on generate. And here is the output. As you can see, it looks awesome and hilarious at the same time. I'm telling you guys, so many good AI image generators struggle to generate images of famous people. But not only can PicLumen generate the images, you can also customize them to create awesome, hilarious images like this. And all of this is for free and unlimited, which is just crazy to think about. Here is another image I generated. As you can see, it looks awesome. Now you can turn these images into videos and create stunning, hilarious content that goes viral on Instagram. Here is what I was able to create by flipping the iconic Apple's Think Different campaign.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore them, because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
Wasn't that awesome? I used PicLumen generated images and turned them into videos using Minimax and used voiceovers by 11 Labs. You just saw how awesome it looks, and you can do it too. I'm telling you guys, this tool is going to help you a lot to create awesome content. So make sure you are taking full advantage of this outstanding tool. And as of now, at the time of recording this video, it is absolutely free and unlimited. So go and try it out. The link is in the description. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep grinding.